following then?
That's when I was going down main line. Shift up and hit the left.
I'm following you.
Who should I follow? Someone? I'll follow Charles then. Yeah, alright.
Who am I following then?
What, are you going behind him? In front? What's the order?
Don't shred too hard.
I'll go fast if you keep up.
I'll go behind you.
Alright. Yeah, but if I keep up then I get some gnarly footage of you, so don't get too far.
Is it filming?
Yeah, let's go.
You coming?
You go first, Phil.
Ah, shit, fuck. I did not mean to do that. I slipped a pedal, landing the second one.
Yeah.
I still went for it.